Hey guys, I got my first dinnerly order. Today we're going to be unboxing it. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. I'll give you a hand. Okay, customer support. Your handy dinnerly checklist. Open box. Remove ingredients, checking any pouches before discarding, and place perishables in the fridge. View or download recipes via your email or your account area on the website or the dinnerly app. And scan recipes to make sure you have the necessary pantry basics on hand and cook. All right, so this is insulated bag that it comes in. This is nice that it's sealed here. Dinner's in the bag. Sure, this is good. We have a DoorDash promotion. I thought this was supposed to prevent DoorDash. All right, Grove promotion. It's not unusual for these dinner kits to have promotions in here. So it says dinnerly is served. So I don't remember what I ordered. You order on the app or online, and they don't send you paper recipe cards, which is great for the environment. But when I'm unboxing these things, I'm like, okay, how do I know I have everything? Oh, and I messed up my order. I meant to order 5 meals, but you get the biggest discount on your first box. But I messed up and I didn't place my order in time. So I got only 4. All right. Okay, so I got some lettuce here. I think that's for like tacos or something. I got 2 green bell peppers. They're pretty nice sized peppers too. Looks like yellow corn tortillas. Got some potatoes here. Again, I don't remember what for. Italian seasoning. Ras El Hanout, reminds me of Ras Al Ghul. We got a little granulated garlic, a tomato, Roma tomato. We got some honey, panko, and a kind of a sad looking lime. That's kind of a bummer. I'm still going to use it because, I mean, I paid for it. Okay, here's the ice pack. Let's go in the sink. Okay, so, ooh, we got brand name pasta. Pita? Pita, I think. 2 Mediterranean pitas. I think one of these ice packs may have burst. Okay, we got some peas. I don't know how long it actually takes to ship this box because I don't know where it's shipping from. We got some corn. So this is Fontina cheese. I'll go back and tell you guys all the recipes. This is guac. It doesn't say it, but I know that's guac. We got pulled pork. This is Parmesan cheese. Marinara sauce. I'm gonna have to wash all this stuff. That's a bummer. Shrimp. Oh, look, and it's leaking. What is this? We got ground chicken. And quite a few things of sour cream here. I think this is still running. I forgot the pork cutlets. Again, I don't remember what that's for. This is all the food I received for 4 recipes. That's for honey garlic pork cutlets, low-cal shrimp and corn tostadas, chicken parm stuffed peppers, and pulled pork gyro. Okay, so one of the things that it comes with is this card here. It says dinner is served. And this is for first-time purchasers. So it has some pictures, and they talk a little bit about the product. They're pitching their product. So they're saying they have 45 plus offerings each week, speedy meal preps, options to fit your diet, vegetarian, pescatarian, dairy-free, and more. Healthier recipes, low-cal, low-carb, and balanced meals. Now, this other side was a little bit of a surprise to me. Most of these meal kits, they do expect you to have some things like salt, pepper, and oil on hand. This, they have a bit of a longer list of what to keep on hand. So the ingredients they want you to have are olive oil, neutral oil, kosher salt, black pepper, apple cider vinegar, white and red wine vinegars, balsamic vinegar, sugar, all-purpose flour, butter, large eggs. That's not going to be a thing that's happening anytime soon. Milk, ketchup, and garlic. A lot of the quality that you get from any of these meal kits is going to depend on the distribution center that your food is coming from, and also the packing materials and how it's packed, the care with which it's packed. So the packaging I was fine with. They kind of just throw the ingredients in there, and we have a visitor. You want to join me, buddy? Well, don't worry, I'll clean the countertop. This is my buddy. He's my best friend. No, don't touch the camera. Don't touch, what are you doing? You're not getting TUNA. Don't touch the camera. Don't touch the camera, honey. Anyway, so. Now the price. They bill themselves as the lowest cost option at $4.99 per serving. Now that is per serving, not per meal. You usually sign up for a meal plan like 3 meals for 2 people per week. So that's 6 servings total at $4.99. But they get you with the shipping. Generally, they do $12 shipping. Once upon a time they were all free, but then this whole thing happened in the world and supply chain and this, that, and the other, so they started charging. They say that they're the cheapest. One of the ways that they save money is they do not send paper recipe cards. They say that they're saving paper, which they are. It's really important, and I'm really glad that they're doing it. But their purpose isn't to save the world, it's to save money. So they can continue to claim that they are the lowest price meal kit. The recipe cards, they're all online. They'll either email you a PDF, you can go to their website and get the PDF, or you can use the app on your phone. And this presents its own issues when you're cooking because your hands get gross. You touch stuff, you touch chicken, you touch meat. You don't want to keep touching your phone. If they're going to go all digital with the recipe cards, then freaking put pictures on them. There are no pictures, which made sense when they were printing these. They're not printing it anymore. Give us some pictures. It helps. I don't know why it helps, but it helps. It's nice. It makes it look nice. You compare that to what I got from other meal kits. Let me go get that actually. This is just one of my binders. I have 4 of them. And I kept all my recipe cards and I put them in the little plastic sleeves. And so, this one's a home chef one. They have the nice pictures. But they have pictures for each of the steps. Yeah, so it has pictures for each of the steps. It has a picture of the meals, and I have some from HelloFresh when I was doing that. And it's the same thing. We have pictures of the meals and the steps. Each have a picture. So these are really nice. I like having these when I cook. I prop them up, I put my stuff at the end of the counter and I prop these up so I can read them while I'm cooking. and I put them in these plastic sleeves so that if something gets on them, I can just wipe it off. I guess I'm ambivalent about the digital recipe cards. I thought that the amount of ingredients you get is pretty good. It's pretty typical to get recipes with 5 or 6 ingredients, but I don't know, I was kind of expecting more vegetables. And I also got a bag of pasta that I didn't order, so I don't know if that was a free gift or they made a mistake. Like sometimes they'll just include stuff for free. You know, they have an arrangement with another brand so that you get a free sample of some things. They do have a good promotion for new customers. I'm gonna go ahead and cook a lot of these meals so you'll see what they're like. The feedback that I've gotten from you guys though is that you kind of want to see me experiment with it, which is totally cool with me because having done meal kits for so long, I'm kind of like, they're sending me ingredients and I kind of embellish and maybe I alter some of the steps a little bit to make them make more sense. If you want to see the first in the series, go ahead and click or tap here. I'll see you in the next one.